things are these really nice hand towels, and they're in this color. So I actually got this from my boyfriend's mom, and she also went ahead and got me a cup, which I thought was really cute. It says Hola Bella. She was so excited to show me that she got a cup with my name on it. And she also did give me like a bunch of bath bombs. That was really sweet. And she also gave me a few of these. She did give me some other stuff, soaps and like scents that I've already opened and put, but they smell really good. And she also got me this basket which came with everything in it. Not to mention, my package of Ulta came too. I did buy it for myself because I'm like, why not? So I'm gonna show you guys that. This headband and also these scrunchies, and they do tend to absorb more moisture. So when you're washing your face, the thing is, for me, like water will drip down my hand and like get my like clothes like wet or something like that. But these literally will stop it right here. Like the water won't go past the scrunchie, which I thought was really convenient. Not to mention, I did use my actual scrunchies in the same way, and I never knew that they actually had these. So I went ahead and got them. And I also got like a little lip scrub, whatever like my man's mom got me. She literally like tied into what I got, which was kind of like shocking because I literally ordered this stuff and she like got add-ons, which was pretty cool. But anyways, I'm gonna try out this pillow spray. It contains melatonin and it's like lavender, I think. Yeah, it has like essential oils, and apparently it helps you go to sleep. So I thought that was cool. I was like, okay, like might as well try it because I did see it on TikTok. I also got this lotion, and I also got like this scrub, and I also got this lip gloss thing. So after I use this product, I'm able to use this product with it. So it's kind of like lip care. And I also got like some exfoliating gloves because why not? And they're really convenient when you're like in the shower washing your body. After a $50 purchase, you get a free like little sample thing. So there's a bunch of different samples in this one. I actually bought this one. So it was this hand sanitizer. It's crispy apple. It literally smells so good. The kit came with this. I've never used this. It is for sensitive, dry skin, so I'm gonna try it. And then there was this little lotion that came with it. There was this. It's a body cleanser. And I also got this. It's like a shaving cream. It came with the kit. There's some other like little things. I don't know what this is for. It's a texture mitt, so it's an exfoliating thing. I think this is where like people keep their bars of soap like when they're running out, and then they just, you know, it's a little pouch. It's 2 supplements. I've never tried this, but it says bloat, like they're pills for bloating, digestive like things. They support it, so that's interesting. I will try that. And then it's melatonin and it helps you sleep better at night, but it's like a pouch, so like you'll stick it on your wrist. There's foot repair, tea tree oil, and shea butter. Well, those are the scents in this one. And the other thing I got was this lotion. And the next thing I got was this little sample of this foam, like butter polish. I don't know. I see this all over TikTok, and it smells so good. It looks like that. It's like really like foamy. So these were all the samples that came in this little pouch, and it says it on the back as well. So that was all for my little like skincare stuff that I got for myself. So the things that my boyfriend got me was literally the camera I've been like waiting to buy. So he got me like this Polaroid camera. I don't know if you guys know like the instant Polaroids where you just take a photo and it comes out right away. And sometimes you waste films because the photos are not as good as you like them to be. So this one actually will save them, and you get to choose what you actually want to print. And not to mention, there's over like 100 different lenses and like effects, like film effects. And from my phone, like I can send photos in here if I wanted to print them. Like this thing is literally like amazing. That's why I wanted to buy it. And it also came with a little pouch to hold it in. It also has a card gigabyte thing and a lens wipe. It also came with a USB, and it also came with 3 of these, and there's 2 in them, so that's 60 total. So we went perfume shopping and I decided that I really like this one and it just smells so good, and he bought it for me on my birthday. My favorite scent. It literally suits me. It also came with a Burberry pouch. The lady that was helping us out, she gave it to us. She also filled up one of the other perfumes in this travel size kit, and she also gave me a Burberry hair lotion. One of my like biggest things was Doc Martens. So he went ahead and bought me the shoes that I've always wanted. I've always wanted these platform Doc Martens, but they're just like, for me, they are a little bit pricey. I wouldn't spend that much money like on shoes right away. It was so sweet of him to buy them for me. I'm just so thankful for everyone and everything.